Hi there everyone, today I want to talk about a new feature in Microsoft Forms, and that is collections. So I'm here in Office 365, I've gone down here to Forms, or you can go into the launcher here and find Forms. So you can't see it from this initial front page here, but if I go down to all of my forms, right, and click on that, then what I'll see is a new feature here that says new collection. You can see that I've got a collection here. There was a survey I did with a number of different people and all of the forms are sitting in there. So what I'm going to do is go to new collection. Let's give it a name. So let's go College Captain. We had College Captain votes. So College Captain 2022. I'm going to create that collection. So it's there now. And then all I need to do is go to the form. For example, this one here, hit more options and move it to a collection. All right, simple as that. So there's another one. So I'm going to move this one. You can see I've got two collections. So I have two options there. And this one here and this one here, you can see they disappear from my main body of forms here as well. Okay, so that is great. So now I've got a collection of forms that I've got in there, and this is a really great way to organize your forms. If you're like me and use a lot of forms, collections is like files, so we're really creating a filing system so that we can put our forms in here. Anytime if we want to, we can copy this whole collection here, which might be useful if you want to copy a number of forms like this, delete the collection, or we can rename it as well. So there you go, collections in forms, a way to organize your Microsoft Forms.